Hi, I'm Lucy, and I've been on the Systemise for Success course for coming up to 6 months now, and it has been invaluable so far. A real eye opener, I think, as someone who considers themselves quite a business savvy woman. Realize there are so many pieces to the puzzle, and exactly what the course has done for me has helped me to put those pieces together. And I now feel confident that I know my business inside out, and setting up those systems and processes to help me run my business so much more efficiently. And one of the biggest things was, you have more turnover, you're busier, you're working really, really hard, there's more money coming in the till, but you don't seem to be making much profit from it. So that was one of the biggest eye openers for me, was learning all about my numbers. And now the profits are coming in, and definitely starting to look much more at the bottom line rather than the top line. So all of those things, I've learned so much and continuing to learn more and more every day. And it's been amazing to be part of a group of, many like-minded people, that everyone just helps and supports one another too. So I can honestly say I'm so happy that I joined this group, this course, and I can't wait to keep learning more and more. So thank you so much, Jessica, for everything that you've done so far for me.